Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic problem, and we have a to the power of b minus b to the power of a equals to 17, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So the very first step we are going to do is here first we multiply and divide the exponent of these two terms by 2, and it will be written as a to the power of b and its whole power 2 by 2 minus we have b to the power of a and its whole power 2 by 2, and this whole equation equals to 17. And in the next step we use here the nice exponential law, and you know about exponential law. If we have x to the power of m and its whole power n, so it is equals to x to the power of m times of n. So we use these two exponential law, this exponential law in the above equation, and our above equation will be written as a to the power of b, and we have the exponent 2 by 2, so we just multiply the exponent 1 by 2 here, and you obtain a to the power of b over 2 and its whole square, minus we write this as b to the power of a over 2 and its whole square equals to 17. And now in the next step we convert this exponential equation into the algebraic form, so that here we need some little bit simplification or substitution here, so that we just take here this term equals to x, and it will be written as x equals to a to the power of b over 2, and we take this value equals to y, and our y equals to b to the power of a over 2. So we substitute these two values of x and y in the above equation, and our above equation will be written as x square minus y square equals to 17. So now in the left hand side you see here this will become the algebraic formula, x square minus y square. So we know that x square minus y square equals to x minus y times of x plus y, and this whole equation equals to 17. And now you focus on the left hand side, and you see here we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So now we convert our right hand side into product form. So we have 17, and we first find two numbers whose product is 17, and these numbers are 1 times of 17 is equals to 17. And in the left hand side we have x minus y times of x plus y equals to 17. And now we compare both of the sides, and you see here we have x minus y equals to 1 and x plus y equals to 17. So we name these two equations, and we call this is equation number 1, and we call this is equation number 2. So here first we subtract equation number 1 and 2, and here we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we add and subtract equation number 1 and 2 in order to find the values of x and y, so that here you subtract equation number 1 and 2, and so our equation number 1 is x minus y equals to 1, and equation number 2 is x plus y equals to 17. Because here we subtract these two equations, so it means that we just change of sign of these two equations, and here you see that this is the positive and negative, so these are cancelled by each other, and we add minus 2 times of y equals to 1 minus 17 is equals to minus 16. So this implies that our y equals to 8. And similarly we focus on this case, and here we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So our equation number 1 is x minus y equals to 1, and equation number 2 is x plus y equals to 17. So here we add these two equations, And you see here, this is positive and negative are gone, and we add x and x, so it will be equals to 2x equals to 18. So in this case, we get the value of x equals to 9. So this is the value of x, and we find both of the values of x and y. And now we write the values of x and y here. So our value of x is equals to 9 and the value of y equals to 8. But here we back substitute the values of x and y, and you see here we take our x equals to a to the power of b over 2, and we take our y equals to b to the power of a over 2. So we back substitute the values of x and y here, and we obtain. So this implies that the value of x is a to the power of b over 2 equals to 9, and the value of y is b to the power of a over 2 equals to 8. So in the next step, you see here, first we remove this 2 sign on both of these terms, so that we will take a square on both of these cases, and we write it as a to the power of b over 2 and its whole square equals to 9 square. And similarly in this case, we have b to the power of a over 2 and its whole square equals to 8 square. So here you see that this 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, and we obtain a to the power of b equals to 81, and in this case this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get b to the power of a equals to 64. So we get these two cases, and now we focus on the right hand side on both of the cases, and we have 81, and we write this 81 as 3 to the power of 4, and because we know that 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81. And similarly in this case, we have 64, and we write this 64 as 4 to the power of 3, because 4 to the power of 3 equals to 64. And now we compare both of the sides, and in this case, when we compare both sides, then you get the value of a equals to 3 and the value of b equals to 4. And similarly, when we compare this case, then here you get the value of a equals to 3 and the value of b equals to 4. So these are the final values of a and b. And now in the next step, we verify the values of a and b, so that here we copy down the given question statement, and our given question statement is a to the power of b minus b to the power of a equals to 17, and we verify the values of a and b by substituting in this equation. So we have the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 4, minus here you have b to the power of a, so our b is 4 and a is 3, and this whole equation equals to 17. So you know that 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81, and 4 to the power of 3 equals to 64, and this whole equation equals to 17. So 81 minus 64 equals to 17 equals to 17. So this shows that the values of a and b satisfies the given question statement. So it means that a and b are the final solution of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.